Capital One. Do you want to change your credit card due date using the Capital One app? On Rapidguide channel, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Capital One app and sign into your account. From the main screen, select your credit card, then go to the account settings or payment options. Look for the option to change your payment due date and follow the instructions provided. Choose an available due date that works better for your schedule, review the details, and submit your request. Capital One will process your request and update your account if it's approved. Changing your due date can help you better organize your payments and manage your monthly budget. Remember to always check your account for the updated due date and continue making payments on time to keep your account in good standing. Follow Rapidguide for more easy banking tutorials and app guide.